Today I show you how to increase the font size on your Windows 11 computer, either a desktop computer or a laptop. You can easily use control and wheel up or wheel down to change the size of the icons of the desktop. If you want to do more than that, you can go into the settings on your computer and then go to accessibility and then choose text size, or you can also use the display settings. And if you have multiple displays, multiple screens, you have to do this on the screen that you want to do. And it's not really the recommended option to do this, especially this is useful if you have different size of screens so they can kind of match. So you see now I increased the display scale to 125 or even 150%. And yeah, this is another way to do it. But the ideal way to do this is to use the accessibility settings. So now you see each display has a separate setting. One is at 100%, the other one is at 125. To use the accessibility settings, go into the settings app, accessibility, then text size, and here you can have a really nice, easy to use slider that will change the text size for all the apps, for the desktop, for apps, you can see everything changes, even the context menus. So this is pretty much like on the mobiles, like on your iPhone or Android phone. This is the ideal option. This is a really great way to see text better, especially if you have a screen that has a 4K display, for example, then the text is going to be much smaller. You can increase the text size easily, but if you make it too big, then you won't really be able to see much on the screen. So there is always a trade-off between how big the text is, so you can easily read it, but also it shouldn't be too large that it doesn't take, you don't have enough space on the screen to fill. This is a personal preference and you can always change it if you find that it's too large, the text is too large or too small. And I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.